हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप? आई होप आप सभी लोग बहुत अच्छे होंगे। मैं प्रियांश यादव, आज मेरे साथ है हिमांशु जो कि हमें क्लाइमेट चेंजेस के बारे में बताएगा जो 2025 में होंगे।
By 2025, India will have to suffer extreme weather due to climate change. Hotter summers, milder winters, and strong heat waves are expected. Coastal areas may face more extreme cyclones, and northern and central India could experience drought. And also, the Indian Meteorological Department has predicted about the La Nina effect, which causes increase in rainfall and sometimes led to lower temperature. These all things are happening due to climate change, and the only reasons that why climate is changing is pollution.
It is very dangerous for us. Can you explain some problems and solution for this?
Yes, sure. A key solution can be investing in infrastructure, climate resilient infrastructure, sustainable water management, and using less non renewable resources.
Now Himanshu, tell something about renewable resources.
Yes, sure. Renewable resources. By 2025, India will make a significant step towards renewable resources. As we know, climate change is due to pollution, and renewable resources can help us to maintain our climate of our country and also of our world. Renewable resources are like hydro resources, power plant, solar power plant, and these are the renewable resources. And India will definitely take a big step towards renewable resources in 2025.
Now tell something about the economy, how it will affect the economy of India in 2025.
By 2025, Indian economy will grow rapidly, driven by a young workforce. The new young ones of India will definitely put our economies towards a great height. As we know, India will also invest towards infrastructure of renewable resources, and this will create a lot of employment for the new youths, and it will affect a lot to the economy of India. And initiatives like Atmanirbhar Bharat and Made in India will boost our local industries and attract foreign investment towards India. And these all things together will boost our Indian economy into 2025.
Now tell the challenges which India have to face in 2025.
Of course, the road to 2025 is not without challenges. India must have to tackle problems such as climate change, which affects our infrastructure and also our agriculture system, and also poverty, unemployment. These are also the major challenges for India. For any country, in 2025, India have to tackle these issues.
Thank you, Mansu, for telling us about the India and its economy.
Yes, welcome.